महाराज सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद के ऊपर
That Parikshit Maharaj asked the question to Sukadev Goswami
समान भाव रखते हैं।
that Bhagwan
और
respects
कभी भी यदि मित्रता समप्रियम सुहृद ब्रह्मणां भगवान से इंद्राते पदम नाम
because I think he reads a lot. He reads the same one.
हे ब्राह्मण सभी प्राणियों में समदर्शी एवं समस्त भेद भाव से रहित एवं सभी के प्रिय और सुहृद भगवान कृष्ण ने साधारण लोगों की भांति देवराज इंद्र का पक्ष लेकर दैत्यों का वध किया। समदर्शी व्यक्ति का पक्षपात करना तो उचित नहीं है। इस संदर्भ में
So in this context, yesterday we have discussed already, and in the morning we have also discussed. Haribol. Haribol. Getting? So hearing these questions, so Sukhdev Goswami Pas was so much pleased, and we have already discussed these things. So whatever the question you have asked, this is so nice. This is very nice question. So the writer here is saying, if the question asker, if he asks nice questions or good questions, then the speaker gives the replies perfectly. And in the questions, so the questions related with Lord. If somebody is going to the saintly person, so what kind of question he should ask? It should be related with God, with Bhagwan. If the question is not related to the Lord, so the Sant will not give the proper answer to that person. And it is said also, so the Bhagavad Katha is the life of the sadhu, which is called Ved Kolahal. So after the Grishma, after the hot summer season, at that time, all the rivers and pond full of water, and the frog do so much enjoy in that water. And at the time the snakes comes and eat that frog. So in this way, leaving the Krishna Katha, so whatever Katha is there outside, it is called like a festival of frog. And what is the result of that? So they get so much, it's very injurious to them. So that's why our writer is written here, we should always ask the question related to Lord, not besides that. There is no one in this world that who doesn't want to hear Harikatha. Everybody wants to hear the Harikatha. Yesterday I gave you the example. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, this Katha also described. Bhagavad Katha, all wants to hear the Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha, because it is very joyful, it gives pleasure. So the Advaitvadi who thinks this world is illusion,
ज्ञान वैराग्य आदि लेकर के
So after getting the Gyan or Vairagya,
और निर्विशेष ज्योति में प्रवेश करना।
they would like to be submerged into the a light, a Jyoti.
अर्थात माया
They would like to be merged into the Brahma.
मुक्ति आदि प्राप्त करने
They want to get the Sayujya Mukti.
तथा श्रवण करें अर्थात भगवान के गुणावली
So these kinds of people, if they hear the Hari Katha, so what they get, the Bhagwan give them liberation.
ब्रह्म आराधना को क्या कर देता है, त्याग देते।
So they give up the Brahma Aradhana.
भगवत कथा में वो
So they take so much interest in Bhagavad Katha.
जिसके उदाहरण देते हैं।
So there are many examples like
तो ब्रह्म ने उसमें संत सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
So
परीक्षित महाराज के कहने लगे,
Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, "Hey Parikshit,
परीक्षित महाराज मैं ही पहले
earlier I want to submerge into the Nirvishesh Brahma.
किंतु जब मेरे पिता व्यासदेव
But when my father Vyasdev told, I heard the Harikatha from his mouth. So what I decided that time, that I have give up to submerge into the Nirvishesh Brahma, and I wanted to hear Harikatha, Lord Katha more and more." So Sukdev Goswami Pad explaining himself to Parikshit Maharaj, when I took the birth from the mother's womb and I started walking towards forest for austerity, and I wanted to submerge into the Nirvishesh Brahma, and Vyasdev was following me, chasing me, "Ha putra, ha putra, ha putra," and I was disappeared there. So at that forest, Vyasdev told to the hunter, there is a shuk kinds of word there, so you should go and catch them. So he told some shlokas to that hunter, and they recite before the Shukdev Goswami Pad. Bara Pidam Natwar Bapu.
और वो पहलियों ने शिकारी जब ऐसे सुंदर सुरीली सर से जब इस कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर रूपों के वर्णन किया,
So when this kinds of quality describes of Krishna's, then Sukdev Goswami Pad told that I was so much attracted towards Krishna that time. And I asked to that hunter, "Oh, please tell me that what kind of quality this kind of person have?"
पहले
Saundarya. So
उसके गुण विचारी ऐसे भी सुंदर व्यक्ति उसके गुण क्या है,
So what kind of that person qualities have? And in the second shlok it is said, "Aho Vakiyam Stan Kalputam." This kinds of qualities he had. And after hearing these all things, and who described these shlokas? I was so much curious to know. Then hunter said that it is told by your father Vyasdev. Then Sukdev Goswami Pad.
जो है अपने पिता
Guru Garang Jayate.
व्यासदेव के निकट बैठ करके
So
ये समस्त भागवत
in this way, Sukdev Goswami Pad hear the Harikatha from Vyasadev. So Sukdev Goswami Pad used to say,
जो है
I myself, I learned that all Katha.
इसी प्रकार की
So in this way, it is said also,
ये उसी कथा को जो है अर्थात भगवत लीला कथा को परीक्षित महाराज के श्रवण किया।
so Parikshit Maharaj gave this kinds of Harikatha to
जैसे मैंने अपने पिताजी के
heard this Katha from Sukdev Goswami Pad.
उसी कथा
So in this way, Sukdev Goswami told to Parikshit Maharaj, whatever I have heard from my father Vyasdev, I am going to tell you. In this way,
स्वयं भगवान विष्णु
so the Bhagwan Vishnu,
और अजन्मा निर्गुण राग दिशा से राग देश
Bhagwan beyond this nature of this material nature,
भूत देह और इंद्र से रहित ऐसा एक वर भी अपने स्वरूप शक्ति के प्रभाव से बंधुओं के समान बाध्यवादकता अर्थात परस्पर देश भावुकी भस्म की शिकार भी करते हैं। इसी प्रकार कथा भी वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं, जिस कथा को उत्तर देते हुए पहले
so in this way the Katha is describing.
बता रहे हैं यही प्रश्न जो है युधिष्ठिर महाराज भी
Okay, but it is
बड़े आश्चर्य की बात है,
So it is so astonished
स्वयं भगवान
that Bhagwan himself,
कैसे ऐसे लीला आदि करते हैं।
what kind of leela he performs.
जिस कथा प्रसंग आज प्रातः काल में भी
So in the morning we have discussed the katha
जी कैसे स्वयं
that how
भगवान कृष्ण
Bhagwan himself,
युधिष्ठिर महाराज के सभा में
so in the court of Yudhishthir
और
Maharaj,
शिशुपाल के कैसे
so how he killed Shishupal.
इस शिशुपाल की बात की प्रसंग भी यहाँ पर भी सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
So Sukdev Goswami also described the how Bhagwan killed to
जिस प्रसंग ये शिशुपाल को
शिशुपाल।
इसकी भी प्रसंग आ रही है। आज मैं प्रातः काल में जो
So in the morning,
जिस के रूप में मैं बता रहा हूं।
so
संक्षेप में बता रहा हूं।
I'm telling you in short what I told in the morning.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद भी कहने लगे
Sukdev Goswami Pad told
ये ब्रह्मा जी के जो मानस पुत्र
Brahma ji has 4 Manasput, Sanat Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar.
पुत्र जो है
So the 4 sons,
सनत सनंदन सनातन और
Sanat Kumar,
इन लोगों ने ब्रह्मा जी से सारे विद्या अध्ययन
they
किया।
got all the qualification from Brahma after getting all the knowledge from Brahma.
और इन लोगों ने पूछा कि पिताजी हम लोग क्या करें।
He asked to his father that what should we do.
पिताजी कहने लगे
Then the Brahma
"आप
said,
गृहस्थ धर्म में
You go and enter into the Grastha ashram.
तो उस समय
So at that time,
ये चारों कुमारों ने पूछा
these 4 sons
पिताजी, आप
asked
अपने
Brahma,
बच्चे को बताइए,
please
सर्वश्रेष्ठ धर्म
tell us in a very neutral way.
तो वानप्रस्थ सन्ना।
So which is better ashram?
और उसमें ब्रह्मा जी ने
In the
कहा, देखो,
amongst
सन्ना
4.
धर्मश्रेष्ठ है।
And at that time,
भगवान भी कहते हैं सन्यासन शिरसी मम।
the sannyas is the topmost
सन्यास जो है,
ashram.
मेरा मस्तक से।
Bhagwan himself used to say that sannyas is my head, sannyas ashram.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ
So which is the topmost that you should always get into the sannyas ashram.
गृहस्थ धर्म आदि में गृह धर्म आदि पालन करने में अनेक
There are so much problems in Grastha ashram.
जैसे प्रहलाद महाराज भी कहने
Just
लगे,
like Prahlad Maharaj, he told himself,
प्रहलाद महाराज जी कहने लगे,
प्रहलाद महाराज told himself,
असत ग्रहक हित्वात्मपादं व्यहंत रूपम वनं वदो जप। इसकी सारी कथा की यही तात्पर्य, श्लोक की तात्पर्य है, सब कुछ छोड़ करके एकमात्र श्रीहरि के भजन करना ही मनुष्य के एकमात्र कर्तव्य है। क्यों ये गृह कैसे है?
so what kind of this ashram, Grihastha ashram is? It's just like a bell, dark bell, where there is no water. It is, there is so much darkness in this well, and there is no without water.
जिसमें अनेक प्रकार जो है
There are many kinds of snakes and scorpion,
और दूसरी जो इसमें बहुत कष्ट
and there is so much suffering in this material world. I told you this all in the
तो
morning.
ये संसार धर्म संसार बहुत कष्टकार।
So there is so much suffering in this world.
शास्त्र में भी लिखा है।
Also, it is mentioned in the scriptures.
ये गृहस्थ आश्रम एक तपोभूमि का है।
Grastha ashram is an austerity
जैसे
field.
ऋषि लोग कठोर त्याग वैराग्य आदि करते हैं।
Rishi Munis, the sages used to do so much austerities and they wear so much things.
कष्ट देने के
They used to give so much suffering to the body. What is the meaning of tap, the austerity? When you are giving so much suffering to the body, it is called tap.
किंतु संसार धर्म उसी प्रकार की तपोभूमि का है।
So in this way, the sansar, this material world, also so much suffering, full of suffering.
देश आदि को सहन करना
You have to suffer. You have to tolerate so many things here.
है। अग्नि से जैसे तपे हुए सोने
Just like the golden comes out after getting so much getting heat of fire.
अर्थात सच्चा निर्मल शर्मा जैसे प्राप्त होता है। उसी प्रकार गृहस्थ
In this
धर्म
way,
प्रकार है।
Grastha dharma is so hard. You have to do so much austerity. There are so much suffering in this Grastha ashram. It is also mentioned in the scriptures. These all things mentioned in the scriptures.
सभी परमार्थिक प्राप्त होंगे। बड़े-बड़े संत महात्मा भी दिखा जाता है।
There are many big. There are 2 kinds of sant. One is Tyagi sant and second is Grastha.
साधु होते हैं सब।
Both are sadhus.
साधु नहीं
No, both are sadhus. No one is asadhu, but everybody has to perform so much hard austerities. That's why in our scriptures everywhere, no one has. It is not described in the Shastra that Grihast ashram is not good. But somewhere it is mentioned in the scriptures about Grihastha who are Grahmedi, who are not performing the Grihast ashram perfectly. There are two kinds of things, Grihast and Grahmedi. The Grahmedi, they always enjoy sense gratification. So it is so much chastisement in the scriptures for Grahmedi, not for the Grihast. And but those are Grihast, the pure Grihast. So there are so much what prashansa? Praise there. Sangha. So wherever you are staying, Graha, at the home or in the forest, but just chant the holy name, perform the bhajan. Kul vichar. So there is no restrictions for performing Krishna bhajan. The person who is performing the bhajan is topmost. There are many people who is just performing the austerities outsidely, but internally they are doing so much sense gratification, so they will go to hell. But the person who are performing the Grihast ashram and performing their all duties, so they are so much great. So there are Mahaprabhu's many disciples or many associate was Grihast, like Nityanand Prabhu, Srinivasa Acharya, Advaita Acharya. Raghunath Das Goswami, he was so much he did so much hard austerities. There is no lacking there. हाँ बैठ जाइए. So you sit please on the chair on that side. So now the time is going to be over. So in that way, it is mentioned in the scriptures, Kiva Vipra Kiva Nashi Shudra ke na hoye. Joi Tattva Hariveta Tattva Veta Sai Pandit. So these all kinds of principles mentioned in the scriptures. So which ashram is topmost, it doesn't matter, but how you are performing the ashram, it is matter. So in this way, the fourth Kumar, they decided that at once that we have to perform bhajan and sadhan after taking the sannyas. So we will go to forest for doing the austerity. But what kind of meditation you are going to do? The Brahmaji asked. So Brahmaji was so much worried. Brahmaji decided that I have given so much knowledge of the scriptures to my sons. Now they want to enter into the Brahma Jyoti, which is not good. So Bhagwan started praying to Bhagwan. Brahma started praying to Bhagwan, and then Bhagwan gave the fragrance of his lotus feet, Tulsi, into the nostrils of Sanat Kumar. So after getting the fragrance of the Tulsi, so they left. They give up the Brahma meditation. So they decided to and started moving towards Vaikuntha. And what Dwarpal, the gatekeeper, at the time the gatekeeper stopped. At the time gatekeeper stopped for four sons. So in this way, so these four sons was so much powerful, and they have so much aura. The light was coming from their bodies, and that aura, light, Jyoti. So when Jai Vijay, the gatekeeper of the Vaikuntha, stopped to the four sons, so they have caused to Jai Vijay. Hare Krishna. Chalo, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Stop.